Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you taking time out of y'all's busy schedule to stop in and see what it is I'm up to. Excuse me. Mini tool carry, I guess. Um, the last time I showed this, I'm pretty sure it was in this pouch. It's grown since then. This pouch now holds a little bit of line and two tie down straps. And it rides up here on the dashboard. Whoops. And keeps the sign for the gram brats up so the teachers know who I get. Some time ago, I ordered this bag through, I think it was Ronco. I got it off of Amazon. Something's poking through there. I'll have to figure out what that is. And my little toolkit bag was getting larger and getting bulky, and I added some more stuff, and I needed more room. And this, right now, I don't know what it weighs, quite a bit. It fits right in the center console here on the brat buggy. So it's a rather nice bag. It's all heavy duty, like heavy canvas or whatever. I don't know what it's called, but I'll try to add a link eventually to the bag itself if you're interested. Pretty sure it was under $10, somewhere around $10 anyway. We'll look in here to get go. Start pulling stuff out. Mini razor blades for the razor knife that's on my key ring, which came from Harbor Freight. Clamp. Somebody had mentioned I carry little C-clamps, and somebody had asked why. Well, they come in handy for so much different stuff. Like, I do a lot of stuff while I'm out and about, and these type things just come in handy. So could be attaching material to the roof to make an awning, or some of the C clamps can help to attach line to tie something down to the truck. There's a small thing of cordage, a small C clamp. I forget what size this is. Should say it on there. Probably doesn't. Yeah, there it is. 1 inch. Okay. So, ouch. Something keeps stabbing me. I gotta figure out what that is. This is a 2-inch C clamp. What is in there to keep stabbing me? Oh, push pin. Well, I need to figure out something to put that in so it stops stabbing me. So that's it in that compartment. Now we'll come up here. Got a couple of long bungee tie downs for a tarp. Thought I had more. That's okay. Pair of needle nose pliers. This cotton, I just used it. I just used these the other day to pull the cotton out of there. This is my bit case and a little screwdriver bit. I'll put some links to videos that I've done on that in the past. This is a little sewing kit. Just a basic sewing kit. It's got pins and needles and thread, and it needs one of those little needle threader thingies. Every time I go to Walmart, I forget to grab them. Oh, a bicycle wrench, dog bone. I found this at Walmart in the parking lot. These are pretty amazing little tools. They've got quite a few sizes on them. Pair of needle nose clamping pliers. They work as pliers and they work as clamps. A mini Sharpie. A mini pair of channel locks. These come in handy quite often. Let's see. What feels like little stuff. I guess a bit got loose. A couple of absorbing pads. This looks like a flashlight. That's what it started out life as. One of those little cheapy flashlights from Harbor Freight. They're worth what you pay for them. I don't rely on them as a flashlight at all. But they make nice little packages. And inside of here is this epoxy putty stick. Also from Harbor Freight. But it takes a little more than half of that putty stick. And epoxy putty comes in handy all the time. That back in there. And we also have this little pouch. It's got some copper wire, a lighter with some more tape on it. Then inside here we have a flashlight. This little ratchet wrench thing accepts the little bits like that. So it's a screwdriver, and if you have the adapter things to it, it can also be a regular ratchet wrench. But it turns in both directions. It's just an easy handle to use. This little flashlight is rather bright. Multi-tool from Cabela's, mini multi-tool. Again, it comes in handy more times than I can count. Then in here there's a little super bag. I've got a little bit of floral wire. There's a razor knife. The blades are actually tucked in there. This waxed cord has a couple of large leather sewing needles in it. There's a razor blade and a homemade sheath thing. Takes up hardly no space, hardly any space, hardly any more space than what the plain razor blade takes up. There's a pokey thing because you never know when you need a pokey thing. Poking holes in leather or material, or use it as a fid if you're trying to undo a knot. There's another little pokey thing, stainless steel. I think these are actually used to truss up a turkey and whatnot in the right season. There is a P38, because you never know. And then this little set of nuts and bolts is an adjustable wrench. You can adjust it out to fairly large sizes. And let's see, I got a little handle piece here. That slips in there like that. And yeah. Again, this can be, it can come in handy quite often. So, there you go. I'm going to get this all back together again. Or actually, I think I might go ahead and get a picture of it all laid out, and then I'll put it as the thumbnail eventually when I get home and get it ready to put it up there. So, I guess I could show it kind of overview. Let's get down here a little bit. Hope y'all can see that. Here's the other bag. I don't know if you see that or not. I can't see it looking at that part, you know, because it's the. Where's the other? I'm looking at this, and that's where the picture's coming from. So when I turn it around, I can't see what's going on in there because all I have is that. I think y'all understand. Anyway. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs down or a thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it is y'all leave comments on your internet access device of choice. If you'd like to share me around on your social media, that'd be fandoculous. If you'd like to check me out on Facebook, Imager, or Instagram, I'll have some links in the description box eventually, along with links to similar videos, the link for the bag, and whatever. You'll also find my snail mail and my email. Cancer is an insidious disease, folks. I'm not sure 100% what's going on right now. My cousin's husband is in the hospital. He has 2 tumors in his head. I haven't heard anything since they went in. Cancer is an insidious disease, people. You never know. It presents in so many different ways. If something doesn't feel right, talk to a doctor. Yep. If your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. If they're not, give them a call. Hit them up on Facebook. Let them know you think about them. Let them know you love them. If you're estranged, forgive, forget, apologize. You may not get another chance. Maybe they won't get another chance. Maybe it'll be you perusing the handbook for the recently deceased. I hope not. I hope to see y'all again, and until I do, slouchy, y'all. Bye-bye.